So many people know of Wolves Racing, but for those who don't, can you tell us what it's all about?
This is an initiative within the University of Wolverhampton that we have created a racing team which is completely student crew with a professional driver. Certainly, I think students are not allowed to go on the track. So it's a student-led team supported by a resident technician or racing engineer and a professional driver who we hire for the season.
And what championship do you race in?
We are currently racing in the F3 Cup, so it is moving a step forward.
And university funding, it can be tight, so how do you get funding and how important are the partners?
Right, we started off on our own, and the whole initiative was supported by the university. And as we progress, then we are very, very fortunate that industry come and join us. Initially, it was relevant industry, but now it's widespread, and their support is very, very important for us because it not only contribute financially, but also technically and the marketing and in-kind support as well.
And QuickGrind, I know they supply tools and things. How do they help?
QuickGrind are one of the major sponsors, I think not only for the race team, but for the School of Engineering student-led activities. So at current, they are supporting us for the F3 team as well as Formula Student, which is another IMAKE competition. So QuickGrind are more or less part of our workshop furniture, and they have given us donation in kind and also in financial support, and they are major contributors to our racing team.
Graham, QuickGrind, you're proud partners here at the University of Wolverhampton, aren't you?
Yeah. We've been with Wolverhampton University. We're into our second year now. They joined the Quest programme, and we sponsored them, we supply cutting tools, we give them technical support, financial support as well. We don't like to look at it in that way, but the relationship's been fantastic so far, and we're going to keep continuing it as we go on. Yes.
In universities, they're changing here. We've got an Inconel printed manifold and also another component here. You've had a lot of input in components like this. Just talk us through this hub here.
Yeah, this is a 3D printed hub. We did, there's 4 of them obviously on the car because it's got 4 wheels. We manufactured, developed this cutter, multi-flute cutter, specifically for the additive machining. This is like I say, a 3D printed titanium hub. The cutter manufactured 4 of them. We did it 2 micron tolerance on the 4 parts, so that was a bearing fit straight into it. It was a bit new for us because we hadn't really done much 3D printed titanium. It behaves slightly differently from a mainstream titanium, aerospace titanium, but the results are fantastic. We're really pleased with it. These were machined, the flashes cut off straight onto the car, straight out in Silverstone. So it was a fantastic result for everybody. We're really pleased how it came apart.
Yeah, Autosport, they need a quick turnaround. That's right up your street, Graham.
Yeah, definitely. We're quick by name, quick by nature. They needed the tooling. We're doing some more tooling for them just now. We turn that around within a week to 2 weeks. Everybody's really happy. A car can go out into a circuit and get smashed to bits, and then they come to us. We supply the cutting tools. We can sometimes supply the program, the technical support as well, which we've done recently for them, and the car gets back out for the next meeting. So the relationship with us is getting stronger and stronger and stronger, and it pulls in a lot of different fields as well, because people get to know about us on social media through Wolverhampton, through UWR, and our names are popping up everywhere, which for a company is absolutely brilliant. A company the size of us, it saves us something to do some more of the footwork, and jobs are getting done for us. So the connection, the relationship, that's where it all forms from. So it's working really well. Yeah, brilliant.
And you've got a new mantra, infinite possibilities. What does that mean?
Well, infinite possibilities means basically what it is. We don't work as catalogue people. We don't have a big thick catalogue. That's what is there. Then standard sizes, then dimensions, whatever. You know, we customise something to suit the customer. Another wee bit slogan we have is why compromise when you can customise, and people like that from us. You know, there's so many companies out there that visit, and they're using our flute length because it's in a catalogue. Now, why make it a wee bit longer? It's not going to cost them any more because we're manufacturing on a CNC high-tech machines, and we know what the costing is in the part. So we tend to say to them, get your optimum out of it. Use a cutter with a wee bit longer flute length, get a different rad, and don't use 2 or 3 different cutters to do one application. And infinite possibilities is exactly what it is. It's infinite. We use infinite sign. That's going to be our new logo moving forward. It's really trick. It's really catchy. It looks really good. People can identify it with it straight away. So yeah, it's all working really well. It's exciting times ahead. Yeah.